During these weird times, I've had a lot of time to myself, just to think, miss my friends, scroll through Instagram, look at a lot of cool hair, look at a lot of blow dry and styling tutorials. I want to do a styling tutorial, but I don't have long hair. But wait, what can I do? It became so clear to me now. I can do a styling tutorial. The year is 2007. There's nothing called Spotify. We only had CDs in which we needed to put in things to listen to music. So many CDs. This was difficult. Very difficult. This is your Scene Kids styling tutorial. Band t-shirt. Studded things. Bracelets. Check. Skinny jeans. Girl pants preferably. A little bit of flood. Bandana. Back pocket. Tucked. Now, to the most essential part. The hair. Scene Kid hair. Now let's start by shampooing and conditioning the hair. Yeah, get it nice and clean. It doesn't really matter what you use. Make sure you use thermal protectant, spray liberally all over your locks. Yep, get it in. And for curly hair, use something that's smoothing. This is going to aid in our blow dry. It's going to help pull these curls out, which is quintessential for the Scene Kid swoop. Yep, blow dryer, you need one of those. Brushes, flat brush. We're going to wrap the hair back and forth. Make sure to get the sides. You want those little wispies to be in your face because it's going to make you look extra scene. Yep, keep going. Both sides. Flat wrap it. Keep going. Yep. Get it. Smooth. Looking good. Remember, you are cool. Continue to work that hair back and forth. We've got a really big concert tonight. We have to look scene. This hair has to be perfect. Get those colics under control. Now to my favorite part of scene styling hair, the flat iron. Make sure to not section. Just grab big chunks. Yep, there it is. Smooth out those weird curls that we don't like and doesn't flatter this style. This is going to give us root lift. Yep, got to make that back look kind of spiky like a chainsaw haircut. There it is. Perfect. Yep. Now use a matte texturizer. I'm going to start with a little bit. Add it to your roots. Add it to your roots column. There it is. Yep. Make sure your little wispies are starting to flow into the face, and we're going to start to create the direction of our swoop. Perfect. Feeling it. Starting to look good. Coming together. Don't forget the front. Swoop. Swoop. There it is. After about 2 hours of doing this in the mirror, you will finally achieve the perfect scene hairstyle. Make sure that everything is super textured. Yep. And there's a little bit of hair in your face, all around your face. Yep, a little bit more texture right there in the crown. Perfect. You're getting it. Time for the most important part, hairspray. We don't want that to move all night, do we, Colin? No, not in the mosh pit. Gotta look good, gotta look seen. Be seen. Just a touch more hairspray. Yep, got it. It's gonna be perfect. Looking good, feeling it. All right, we can go out now, maybe. Let's take a MySpace picture. Yes. And that's it.